Hey there, if you are looking for a new updated Lovable extension to freeze your credit and use unlimited prompt inside your Lovable to build your project, then this video is for you. Okay, so we have the updated version of the extension. You already may know that the previous extension is not working, it consume credit, but we updated and created a new extension that actually working just fine. So let me show you. Here you can see I have sent a lot of prompt. Okay, and one of the prompt I just sent is working now. You can see here this is actually working. So this extension not consume any credit. Okay, if I can show you, see here, it's showing 0 credit. For the previous prompt it's showing 0 credits. Like this, it actually frees your credit. Okay, the new extension is working just fine. You can see here I have just built the full website, the application actually. Okay, with the same extension. And now this extension, let me show you. You can see here, all you just need to install the extension into your Google Chrome, Safari, or any other browser. Okay, and then just activate with that key, and after that it will start to work. Okay, so let me show you the interface. You can see here the extension is look like this, and it has the license panel. You can see here the license, and also you can create Lovable project right from the extension by clicking this button, and it will not consume any credit. Previous extension actually consumed credit when you just start to create the project, but this one will not consume any credit. Okay, so one more thing, we have the remove watermark option, also the migrate cloud option. Okay, and once you just install this, it will look like this icon. Okay, and then you can manage everything. You can enable, disable the prompts. Okay, and by using this new extension you can just give prompt right from the Lovable set interface. Okay, so this way it actually works. So you can see here everything is working just fine. This prompt completed the task. You can see the task has been completed and it consumed 0 credit. This account had a 77 credit and also 5 daily free credit. You can see both of them are intact. So the extension is working just fine. And also let me show you the website it built. So let it load first. You can see everything is just working fine. Okay, you can see we have built the entire website with the extension, and if I give prompt, okay, here it will work just fine. Okay, so I think you get the idea. Okay, to get this extension, okay, if you want, then just join our Discord server. You will get the link into the description of this video or into the pinned comment. Okay, and you are good to go. You can buy from our server, or you can also get it from our website. Okay, so if you want to see our website, let me show you. Okay, here is our website. You can buy directly from here. Okay, we have a different pricing plan. You can see you can get 24 hours trial for $2, and we also have different pricing. So you can get it from our website, or you can also get it from our Discord server. Okay, so join the Discord server, or you can go to the link of the website and you can get the extension. It's working just fine. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.